Hello everyone, Sherman Chin here, and today I'm going to do the unboxing video of the Zenfone 8 Flip. Now I have done this video before, but today is going to be slightly different because I will do an ASMR version of it. Now this is the autonomous sensory meridian response, which relies on sound. So I'm going to speak slowly and in a deeper tone of voice. Now you're going to hear sound effects, so it will help you perhaps sleep. And well, when you view this video, it gives you a feeling of calmness, I hope. So there we go. We're going to start with the unboxing. And the reason I'm doing an ASMR video instead of a normal unboxing is because I did the normal unboxing before, and this is my second time unboxing this Zenfone 8 Flip. So does that mean I bought this phone a second time? Yes, because if you have followed my channel before, the first time I bought it was really expensive, and now I've got it below 500 US dollars, and I think it's well worth it. So that video I did was 4 months ago, and now we have the Zenfone 8 Flip in Glacier silver. You can see that silver color here, and then you can see the details here. So when you buy an original Zenfone 8 Flip, make sure it's sealed with a plastic wrapper with, there you go, can you hear that? With the original sticker from the distributor. That's how you know it's original and has not been tampered with. And then we have the invoice as well when I bought it online. So there you go. And what I'm gonna do is open it here. Ha. Hear that? So this phone, the unique part about this phone is that it's very unique looking. Oh, you can't really see it yet, but this is just the manual and the SIM injection too, right? Done this before. Well, I will just store a bit, show you guys the SIM injection too. Oh, it's not a manual, it's actually the case. Now I've got the Galactic Black version before, and this is the Glacier Silver version. So the case now is obviously a different color. It's white in color. I'll prefer black color, but you know, this whitish, bluish, grayish sort of, well, Glacier Silver or Glacier Gray in this case is going to suit me just fine. It's a hardcover case. It has really nice texture here. Listen to that, right? But it's plastic. And oh, I was right. There is the manual with the instructions there. Then we have this amazingly unique phone. A lot of people do not like it because it's really heavy, 240 grams, right? And this form factor allows it to have no notch on the front because the phone flips from behind. Now look at this, it's really nice. Just plain silver, like they call this Glacier Silver, with this blue power on button, which is so refined, and I think it's luxurious somehow, but at the same time it also feels very metallic and very sci-fi, science fiction based. Look at that blue light shining across. It's like a neon blue lightsaber, imagine that. So I'm gonna try to power it on. I'm not sure whether it powers on because it has been in the box for some time now. So it does power on. So you have to hold it for a few seconds and then it powers on. You can see the Zenfone there. Well, previously the fingerprint scanner was working terribly, and that's why I returned it as well. But there you go, this is how it looks the first time you start up a Zenfone 8 Flip. Now this silver version, the reason why I bought it instead of the galactic black version is because it looks so much nicer, right? The reason why I bought the black version in the first place is because it was, not so distinguishable from when you bring it out and people don't look at it. But now I want something that is showy, a bit more classy looking, with that blue button and that silver shine to it, because I want to keep it as a memento as of how unique this Zenfone 8 Flip is. And this flips up, but I can't flip it up until I fill up the registration details, and I'll do that in the next video. If you guys do like this and the way I present it in a more ASMR fashion, then please do like and subscribe so that I can show you guys the next video. Now I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box here as well. There we go. It's just charging brick. Now a lot of phones don't come with this, and well, since it comes with it, it's a bonus. And I think it's 30 watt if I'm not mistaken. Then there's a USB-C cable as well. So that's about it. Nothing very much in it. The real unique stuff comes with the Zenfone 8 Flip. Like I said, just looking at these colors, I hope you guys like it. And if you do, like I said, please do continue to subscribe and watch my next video on me playing with this phone. And I will see you guys till the next time. Thanks guys, take care now, bye.